Hello everyone, let's walk through on how we use Supra's official IDE. Some parts of the UX and UI might change over time, but the core workflow will remain the same. If you're unfamiliar with an IDE, that stands for Integrated Development Environment. It's a tool that's used to test, debug, and deploy smart contracts without needing to be able to download the full CLI. This makes it easier for newer developers or visual learners who want to quickly test a smart contract or just see how it works. Let's begin at the Explorer page. Currently, you'll find 3 template options or the ability of starting from scratch. For this example, let's choose the Hello blockchain, which will also match the same one that's on the Supra docs. On the left, you'll see the projects along with the actions like compile, test, and deploy. But before we do any of this, it's important to understand that in Move, you need to have a funded address defined in the move.tom file. Click on move.tom and make sure that the address has been preloaded. Confirm it's the correct one by hovering over the profile icon on the top left corner. The last 4 characters of the address should match. You'll also see the current balance along with options to connect to Starkey or go to the Block Explorer. Let's fund the address. Scroll to the bottom and click the faucet. If you don't see this option, it's likely because you're on mainnet, so switch between mainnet to testnet. Now we can check the wallet. You should see 5 Supra, which means now you're ready to start testing your smart contract. Now I want you to navigate to the file helloblockchain.move to get started on the testing. First, let's click the compile button. Now, as we can see that it has been compiled, meaning our smart contract is working. Now we can try to run a test. If you scroll down to the bottom of our smart contract, we can actually see there's a test here. Now, as you can see, our smart contract test has passed, so it looks like everything is working. Finally, we're going to go ahead and deploy on the smart contract to our local testnet. Now, we can see that we have deployed. Once we're deployed, head over to the Contract Interaction tab so we can run or view functions. Just a quick note. You have to deploy your smart contract before you can interact with a run or a view function. So first click onto the Run tab, then make sure you click into the address that you were given previously. Then select the module Message, and then click on the function Set Message. Message here. I'm going to write hello. We're going to run it. Now when we run it, we can see that it has been successfully executed. Now what we can do is go to the View, and in our smart contract, we can actually display what we had written. So now we know we have the message, and we're going to go to function here. Function is going to be get message, then click on view. And we can see the hello. Now let's go to the recent transactions tab. This is where you can view all the on-chain transactions. Click on the transaction, and you'll actually go to the Block Explorer to see more details. Now it's your turn. Start learning Move and testing your smart contract with ease. Thanks for watching.